Okay, so the way you play this game is you basically it is almost identical to Wordle if you know the game, but you have to guess the number within 5 tries. So we're gonna start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so gray means the digits are not within the number. Yellow means the digits exist in the number, but they're in the wrong place. Let's go with 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So 8, for example, is in the third position in the number, is the third digit. Okay, now we have 4 digits. Well, 4 digits. That means there's going to be 1 that repeats in the number because our number is made of 5 digits. So let's try 2, actually no. Okay, let's try 2, 4, 8, 5, 4. Okay, that was lucky. Now the only digit that remains is the last one. So 2, 4, 8, 5. And we know it has to be one of these digits because we've tried all the existing digits and only these 4 are being used in our number. So we've tried 4, we've tried 5. We're left with 2 and 8. Let's go with 8. Okay, it's probably 2. It better be 2. 8, 5, 2. Okay, that was correct. And now we're moving to the next level, and it's a new number, and so on. If you don't manage to find the number within the 5 tries you have, the game ends. If you continue, you can continue playing up until you lose, and the more you play, the more points you're gonna get. But yeah, that's the whole point of this game.